Good afternoon once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome aboard the Greenfield Village Railroad and the Edison locomotive. For your safety, make sure you're always seated while the train is in motion, and there's no eating or drinking, except for water when on board. Tasmania Plantation House, the White House here, comes from the Tidewater Basin of Maryland, built there in the 1830s by the Carroll family, and once stood at the head of a 700-acre tobacco plantation.
We're going by all those buildings.
The windmill up ahead, built in the mid-1660s and used to grind corn. One of the very first structures brought to Greenfield Village, and was a gift from the Ford dealerships. Greenfield Village was here when the village opened in 1929. And the farmhouse here at the end of the lane, built in 1754 in West Andover, Connecticut. Step back, the ladies inside the company, they'll show you around, tell you about the chores they're doing. You might even walk you around that lady's garden at the house. The Edison was built in 1932 right here in Dearborn, Michigan at the Rouge Locomotive Works. The Edison is a composite locomotive. It's built from the parts of three older ones. Some of the parts on the Edison dated the 1870s. The Edison is one of three coal-fired steam-powered locomotives that operate the trains here on our railroad. We do have a historical presenter inside the roundhouse today. If you'd like to learn more about steam locomotives and American railroading, do pay a visit to the roundhouse. We're down in the Oxbow Island district of the village, part of a wetlands project, ongoing. Folks, I invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride through the wooded area. We do have a small herd of deer here in the woods, and a rather large flock of wild turkeys. Keep your eyes. Doing a routine mechanical procedure known as an engine blowdown. That highly pressurized blast of steam we just saw, and subsequent ones help to remove some of the stick. You're saluting the Iron Horse. You'll take it. Yeah. They'll play right through to 5 o'clock this afternoon. Later, if they have to finish some games, there's no limit on the timing of the games today. Tomorrow is the championship games being played right here in the field again. Come on back, cheer on your favorite teams. Yeah, 2 games at once. Amazing. Is now passing to the main campus for Henry Ford Academy, a friendly accredited Charter Public High School here on the grounds, a joint venture of Wayne County Regional Services and the Ford Motor Company. On the left is the Swampy Lagoon, a natural catch basin for floodwater and rainwater runoff. Mary Chapel on the left, the non-denominational church named for Henry Ford's mother and mother-in-law, Mary Ford and Martha Bryan. Just across the road from the chapel, the Taste of History restaurant and the Eagle Tavern. Eagle Tavern is open, serving lunch till 3:30. The Taste of History will be serving lunch, beverages, and snacks until 5 p.m. this afternoon. Both restaurants an excellent choice for a meal if you haven't already made plans. Yes, you can get married here. We're now entering our Railroad Junction district and will soon be stopping at the Smith Street Depot. Ideally located near Liberty Craft Works, Carousel and Main Street activities. Here a short walk to the Roundhouse and the depot from the platform. And remember, folks, we have a historical representative in the Roundhouse today to answer the questions you might have about steam locomotives and American railroading. Also, the restaurants I mentioned, the Taste of History and the Eagle Tavern, they are both behind us across this parking lot. If anyone needs additional directions or has a question, please stop me on the platform. I'd be happy to help you. In the meantime, if you're joining us here at Smith Street, make sure you have all your belongings with you. Remember your wristband, your ticket, they'll both get you back on board the train. We run the train till 5 o'clock this afternoon. Once again, everyone, please remain seated until you hear the whistle.
Built 1937.
It's now safe to leave the train from the left side of the car.